In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Figma. Cropping is a quick, non-destructive way to control what part of a photo or graphic is visible in your design. You can use it to tighten a composition, hide unwanted edges, or match an image to a layout without permanently cutting anything away. All you need is a file with an image already placed on the canvas. First, click the image. Make sure you're selecting the actual image layer, not a frame or group around it. If you're not seeing the resize handles, glance at the Layers panel and confirm the image layer is highlighted. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it on the canvas. Next, click Crop. You'll find Crop in the top toolbar that appears whenever an image is selected. The moment you enter Crop mode, Figma shows a clear outline with draggable handles around the image, along with a slightly dimmed preview of the area that will be hidden. This gives you a focused view of the part you're keeping versus the part that will be concealed, so you can make decisions with confidence. Now, adjust the border to crop. Drag the edges or corners of the bounding box to reveal just the portion you want. Corners let you change width and height at the same time. Edges change one dimension at a time for precise trimming. If you need to refine the composition, move your cursor inside the box and drag to reposition the image within the crop. This is great for centering a subject, nudging a horizon line, or aligning a product with nearby elements. Keep an eye on spacing so that important details aren't cut off, and use the rule of thirds as a quick guide for pleasing balance. Because cropping in Figma is non-destructive, you can always widen the border again to bring hidden areas back into view until the framing looks just right. That's it. Click the image, click Crop, then adjust the border to refine what's shown. With this simple workflow, you'll create cleaner layouts, emphasize the right details, and keep your assets fully editable for future tweaks. Give it a try on a few images in your file to see how small adjustments to the crop can dramatically improve the look and clarity of your design.